Alright, Jennifer, your video is going to be the first I shot with my new phone, but I can't figure out how to make it go to YouTube. Anyway, not feeling pretty dumb right now. Anyway, 1/64 scale. That's the JADA Hero Patrol Tahoe, of course, that you sent me. And front doors do open still. And of course, as with the other one, the rear hatch is sealed shut because the battery's back there, and so easier to change. Can't change it to the back door anyway. Just change it from the bottom with the 2 screws. This one has a red and blue strobe in the grille, flashing headlights, red and blue strobe light bar, a red and blue strobe in the rear window, which the rear window is tiny, and then flashing tail lights as well. Same battery as your other 64 scales use that I sent. Switch on the bottom here, just a push button switch. Again, red and blue strobes in the grille, as you can see those. Flashing headlights, and a red and blue strobe light bar. Flip around the back, and you have a red and blue, in the rear visor, red and blue strobe in the rear visor. Of course, and your flashing tail lights. So, pretty cool model. Like I said, it gets you your other one, the Crown Vic. Get it back to you again, so you can arrest your cat, maybe. We had a problem with the cat, so anyway, get those back to you, and like I said, try to get them shipped out. Matter of fact, I may even ship them out tomorrow, Monday, so you should have them soon. Thank you very much.